Have you ever been trapped in Vim, feeling all is lost and you never get out, but you just wanted to be a cool developer? Or maybe you have entered Vim unintentionally while amending your commit. You are certainly not alone. You can exit Vim with uncontrolled rage, but what if there was another way? Let's enter Vim now. Vim is special because it has mods, 5 of them to be precise. Mod is a unique state in which Vim operates right now. Vim is very helpful by sometimes telling you in which mod it is right now at the bottom of the window. We are now in what is called normal mode. To make changes, we will press I to enter insert mode, and then there is a command mode. Command mode is how you exit from Vim. You can enter insert or command mode only from normal mode. You can switch to normal mode from other modes by pressing escape key. Now we are in the normal mode again. We can switch to command mode by pressing colon. To exit Vim, we need to type Q and press enter. But Vim doesn't let us go so easily, showing this helpful error message, since we have modified the file. Now we need to make a choice. Do we want to write our changes, or do we want to force quit ignoring them? To write our changes, we need to switch to command mode with colon, followed by W, followed by Q. If we want to ignore changes and force quit, we can type colon, Q, followed by exclamation mark. And that's what we do, since we are angry with Vim for not letting us out.